Well, good morning, everybody. Welcome to week 4 of COM 151. This is Mark here. This week we're going to be talking a little bit about some new topics. Again, we're going to be adjusting pictures, I think is what I see in the textbook. We're going to be working with the word art function for the first time. Also going to be doing some things with PowerPoint. So I want to welcome you to week 4. I think overall things have gone fairly well. We are having some issues, I think, with MindTap, trying to get all those things all sorted out. If you're having problems with iKeys, the system locking up on you, or things like that, please call Cengage Support and see if they can help you work through that. If you're having problems with, I don't know how to insert a picture, insert a table, make adjustments to things, that kind of thing, where we're actually using the program, please let me know, and I'll be happy to help you with that. Overall, I think the class has gone well. I know that there's been a pretty good learning curve so far in terms of using Canvas and MindTap, so hopefully we're starting to get through some of those issues and can focus on learning the software program. This coming week, week 4, we're going to be working with word art. We're also going to be doing some adjusting to pictures and things like that. Again, in PowerPoint, you're going to start putting some presentations together, and we'll see how that goes. I think you'll enjoy working with PowerPoint, even if you haven't worked with it before. It's fairly straightforward. I like to explain PowerPoint. Imagine that you have a blank sheet of paper and you have stickies. You write something on the sticky and then you place it on the big sheet of paper. It's kind of how it seems to work with PowerPoint. You'll have placeholders. Within those placeholders, you type information, you put pictures, you do things like that. So hopefully you'll enjoy PowerPoint and see that that's not too bad a program to work with as well. I know I use PowerPoint almost every day in one way or another, and it's fairly straightforward. Our discussion post this week deals with PowerPoint mainly, and what I'd like to know is from you is what are some of the best practices when you want to use PowerPoint or make a presentation, and so what are some of the things that you want to avoid when you're using PowerPoint. For an example, you'll learn a little bit about animation. Animation can be very helpful to keep people's attention and to help you make a point. It can also be overused and so that it's a distraction. You'll also learn things, you should learn things in PowerPoint like only a certain number of things go on any given page. If you put a whole bunch of stuff on one page, then it gets too crowded, too small, if you will, when you're doing a presentation, and it's very distracting that way. So that's the kind of things we're going to be talking about this coming week. As I talk to my department chair and learn some more things about these issues you're having with MindTap, I'll put them out in the announcements or emails. And so please continue to reach out to me, let me know what you're having problems with. Now that we're going into week 4, I'm going to start closing out like week 1, week 2, week 3, that kind of thing. And what we'll do is I'll kind of leave them open so that you, except for the discussions, that you can go kind of catch up since some of you have been having some issues. I'm going to start putting zeros where work is missing. So please check your grade book. Anywhere that you see that you have a 0 other than the discussion, that means I don't have your work or there's a miscommunication somewhere, and that's the thing that you need to go look at and make sure that you get turned in. Where I am leaving things open, trying to help you as best as I can. We are obviously going to have to get caught up here sometime soon. So check the grade book in terms of week 1, week 2. If you have a 0, that means I don't have your work or we have something missing or something like that, and that's where we want to focus. Likewise, we'll do week 3. Next week I'll start putting zeros in to show you where things are missing. If you have any questions, let me know. I look forward to working with you here in week 4. Have a great week.